Brand new 2026 full-size Range Rover isn't going anywhere because it's protected with a StarLine Pro Immobiliser. So we've got the key, the vehicle starts, we can choose to disarm with a push sequence, a phone or a tag. If someone tried to steal this, popped it into gear, the vehicle switches off. As you see, it's gone from ready to off. The engine and the hybrid system is cut out and the vehicle's going no further. So with the code, we start the vehicle. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. We wait for a tone. Now we've heard that, we can select the gear. It remains running. As you can see, it's still in the ready and the vehicle can be driven. The simplest way is with a phone. So we have the Bluetooth on with our adjustable range. We start the car, we hear a disarm tone instantly and we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. So we don't need to go through our push sequence. We can just get in, phone's in the pocket and drive away. When we take it out of range, turn the vehicle off, the vehicle is no longer going to be able to be driven away until it sees that third-party authorization. So like we said, that can be a push sequence on the buttons, a Bluetooth paired phone, or an optional tag you just have when the keys are in your wallet. If none of them are present, like you saw, we start the car, it goes to ready, a thief tries to steal it by driving away, and the vehicle shuts down. It's gone to off, and they're going to be unable to drive it. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a StarLine Pro on a brand new 2026 full-size Range Rover.